Hey, I just wanted to quickly show you guys how I'm using this bone edit snapper. So this free add-on you can grab. I'll put the description in the, or the link in the description. I just wanted to show you a kind of like a little novel way of how I'm using at the moment. So I've got this big eye that I gotta rig up. So I want to place some fine controls for the lid here. So I want these to follow this and have this orientation of the eye kind of going up. So I made this sort of like temporary eye with this yeah, so this temporary eye here. And then I also made just like this little box here that I just parent to that, just to get that orientation when this sort of temporary eye rotates. And then I've put this cube then here as my source item. So to create now the extra bones with like the kind of like perfect orientation, all I need to do now is take this eye, rotate it to roughly where I want the next one to be. And now just go into edit mode for my armature. And then I just create another bone. And then I'm just going to go into object mode again, select this, rotate that box to roughly where I want the next one to be. So I'll want it around there maybe. And now I'm just going to go back into edit mode and then create that bone. Cool. And then you can just kind of go around the eye and do this for the rest of the eye. So it's just a quick way of getting like the perfect orientation to where the eye is going to be, because it's going to line up to that. It's going to lie to the y-axis of that box. So you can use this box to create extra bones and just line it up to that. Cool. Okay. Cheers. Have a look at the other video about how to use this tool. This is just like an extra thing of how I'm using it at the moment, just to kind of like help me do this rig a little bit easier. Cool. Okay, cheers.